Everyone dreams of having naturally glowing skin, and while there are tons of products out there, nothing beats a good, consistent skincare routine. Today, I'm going to share with you 10 simple and natural steps to achieve that healthy, glowing skin you've always wanted. Let's get started. Hydration is key. The foundation of glowing skin starts from within. Drinking at least 8 glasses of water daily helps to flush out toxins and keep your skin hydrated. Proper hydration leads to plump and youthful-looking skin. Cleanse gently. Using a gentle cleanser twice a day helps to remove impurities without stripping the skin of its natural oils. Look for cleansers that are free of harsh chemicals and focus on ones that contain soothing, natural ingredients. Exfoliate regularly. Exfoliating 2 to 3 times a week can remove dead skin cells that can make your skin look dull. Opt for natural exfoliants like oatmeal or sugar scrubs that won't be too harsh on your skin. Moisturize daily. Lock in moisture by applying a hydrating moisturizer right after washing your face. If possible, choose one with natural oils like coconut oil, almond oil, or aloe vera for that extra glow. Use sunscreen every day. Sunscreen isn't just for sunny days. Protecting your skin from UV rays is crucial for maintaining a youthful, glowing complexion. Choose a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30. Get enough sleep. A good night's rest is often called beauty sleep for a reason. While you sleep, your body repairs itself, and that includes your skin. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night to give your skin the time it needs to heal and rejuvenate. Incorporate antioxidants. Antioxidants like vitamin C and E can do wonders for your skin. These help fight free radicals that can cause damage. You can apply antioxidant serums or eat foods rich in vitamins like citrus fruits, nuts, and leafy greens. Eat a balanced diet. What you eat has a direct impact on your skin. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon, chia seeds, and flax seeds help keep your skin healthy and radiant. Also, don't forget your leafy greens and colorful veggies. Use face masks. Natural face masks like honey and yogurt can give your skin an instant glow. Apply a homemade face mask once or twice a week to nourish your skin and boost hydration. Stress management. Stress can take a toll on your skin, leading to breakouts and dullness. Practice stress-reducing activities like yoga, meditation, or even a simple walk outside to maintain that natural glow. There you have it. These 10 natural skincare habits can help you achieve and maintain glowing, healthy skin. Remember, consistency is key. If you follow these steps regularly, you'll start to see changes in no time. And before you go, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more skincare tips and natural beauty routines. See you in the next video.